Welcome back to another tropical outlook and discussion for today, October 8th. We are tracking Hurricane Milton here. We are absolutely been in a lot of trouble lately with Hurricane Milton, of all of the preparedness. And, once again, this is at a category 5. Last night it did peak at 180, 185 with a millibar pressure about 887 below the 900s. And today we got pretty close to that actually. We got to 902 millibars, okay? Now we are seeing pressures that have rise, and this is some good news. But I will say, don't take this for now this is going to be a done storm, because this I'm saying this could again have another little peak of intensity. Some of the models do show that, okay? The environment has ended up being a pretty good environment overall, and we have quite a bit of a southern turn here. So we're going to bring actually up live Earth, because we're going to be really in this one taking a look at the track and the impacts and the storm surge and the rainfall, okay? We are really going to be looking at that. And yes, the track has shifted dramatically, and I do think we are going to see another shift very shortly. So we notice we've been dealing with a southeastern jog. Pretty much the storm has struggled to move north, okay? That is the first thing, you guys. It has struggled to move north. Before I keep going, let me just double check I am live here. Okay. Okay. Just double checking here. Okay, I think I am good. So we are looking at, let me just quickly check here. So I actually don't know. I think I am good though. I'm just gonna have to double check here. If this wants to work. View your channel. Okay, so I am good. I am live here. Whoa. I thought this has a thumbnail. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. Currently. We got one watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe and like. Okay, we are once again watching Hurricane Milton. I wouldn't say actually rapidly intensifying. That kind of, we are now past the extreme rapid intensification. Today we did have rapid intensification, just not extreme rapid intensification. So each peak has went down, and I will give that some good news. So let's get right back into here. We do notice, yeah, once again as of 10:10, Milton is doing an eastern jog. This cone has continued and continued to move more south. And I am getting kind of worried on this track here. Because right now on this track, I wouldn't be surprised. And let me quickly get something here. And this is going to be epic then, okay? We are going to draw just a little bit if this wants to work for me. Okay. So okay. Let me just I feel like I am lagging. I'm debating if I wanna. Am I lagging? No, not really. Okay. So this is the latest, okay? We're actually gonna get the latest right here. Latest satellite imagery, okay? It is pretty impressive still. The eye did look like it was having some issues, but that kind of fixed itself. And in the latest frames, we've been noticing the clouds are clearing again in the eye. So what I think might have happened was an eye merger, and maybe that's why it weakened a bit, okay? This is not good, okay? On this track, the way this storm has just been moving and moving, I mean, it's just been, you know, on this track, it's been just like, let me make that a little smaller here. This has just been trending more and more east, okay? I wouldn't be surprised. The cone will probably get updated to about here, and we'll probably have another southern shift. But with these southern shifts, we are noticing, I mean, in the path is next is Cape Coral. Okay, if you guys are in Cape Coral, I will say right now, you guys are expected to get the worst storm surge. And Tampa Bay, I was talking about this yesterday, it could be the worst storm for you guys. You guys are probably still going to get hurricane gust and some hurricane force winds. But if you guys are in Cape Coral, I would say you guys are probably going to be getting the worst of the storm surge right now. Why is that? Because with another southern shift, and look, this is 125 here. This is probably 140 here. So first off, we could be having a Category 5, but I wouldn't be surprised we see a new track like this. That will mean, okay, you know what this will mean for Cape Coral? Is absolute storm surge. You're going to have these winds whipping around the hurricane like that, okay? And you're going to see a whole bunch, all that potentially 15-foot storm surge is going to be going into this here. In these little bays. You see how Cape Coral has these little rivers, streams going inwards? We got all these little islands in here and all that. This could be a very bad case scenario with Cape Coral. This could completely drown Cape Coral. If you guys are in Cape Coral, okay, we're going to be actually, I want to take a look at the geography of Cape Coral. So, if this wants to work, okay, let me just, I know we are really getting started here, quite dramatically here. But let's take a look at some of the images in Cape Coral. Look how Cape Coral is. It's completely embedded with water, okay? Look how we got all these streams and rivers all surrounding these areas. With this storm surge, it will completely flood all of these houses, you guys. This looks like Cape Coral is actually a pretty rich place. I don't know if that's true or not. But if we look at the thing here, I mean, look. Cape Coral is pretty much islands. And it is it's about below sea level. And actually, let's look at sea level, okay? I want to look if this is above sea level or below, because this will really depend here. It is only 6 feet above sea level, okay? Elevation, it's only 6 feet above sea level. Okay, that is very bad. We could have, once again, and I kind of want to bring this up too. Let's go to National Hurricane Center, and let's just make sure. Once again, our goal is to get to 5 likes. Neo said, is it weakening? Right now, I would say it's a pretty steady hurricane. Steady. Here, I will write that out for you. I don't know if you guys saw that. Right now, it's steady. Once again, our goal is to get to 5 likes. Okay? But let's take... Yes, I do know we have a wave off the Carolina coast. Leslie's back to a hurricane, and we have a 30-30 here. Last light visible satellite area, low pressure bounds would be... I will say maybe this becomes a tropical storm, okay? I'm not worried about that. But what I'm worried about is these impacts, okay? Peak storm surge here. They have been shifting this more and more south. And I would honestly say, if Tampa Bay, you guys are probably going to be coming out of this, and this is going to be moved down. Keys, you guys can actually end up being in this 3 to 5 and 5 to 8 for these areas. Right now, they have you 8 to 12. I'm going to say right now, guarantee you, by by tomorrow morning, we're going to have 10 to feet storm surge for Cape Coral. Okay? That's why, it's not just Tampa Bay that is a very prone area. Cape Coral is just as bad, okay? That's just a very obvious thing I want to put out there. Before we get into the models, before we get into anything, I'm trying to show you guys the geography, okay? But it's annoying. It's good to know your geography before you really say what's going on, okay? Right now, I would say is this hurricane is holding steady at its strength. They are probably going to keep this around 160, 165 for the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock update. We will be looking at that. And we will be looking at the discussion. That's why I'm not even going to bother looking at the discussions and the graphics. Really, one thing is the rainfall has gone up pretty significantly. They even show off the coast 16 to 20 inches. But Orlando, you guys can get up to 8 to 12, maybe even 12 to 16. Now, you can expect maybe a foot plus. But I think this could trend south, okay? I'm going to say that right now. I think that is going to be trending south. Okay? So, let's take a look at Zoom Earth. Let's see that latest eye here. Because this is... Yeah, once again... Yeah, look. Very eastern shift. Wow, you can really tell. Look at that eastern shift, you guys. This is continuing to move east. That is concerning. We can just continue to see... I mean, right there, we can have the I mean, this is getting pretty close to Florida Keys. I'm not saying it's not going to hit anywhere near the Florida Keys. But Cape Coral, you guys can get absolutely slammed. Even Northport. I think Northport, you guys are pretty close to a landfall. But what I'm hearing is that a potential landfall could be in Osprey right here. Okay. Some people are saying that this could make landfall in Englandwood, Vincy. Okay. These are the areas I'm gonna watch in the next 10 hours, okay? And we're really gonna have to watch. I don't think we're gonna get any more south than Cape Coral. I don't think we're gonna see a Fort Myers. The only way we pull out a Fort Myers if this just goes completely east, and this just completely moves like 1,000 miles away from its original spot. Will they do one more pass? I don't think so. I have a bad feeling they won't. Okay. We are going to be live for about 30 or so minutes. Probably actually a little bit longer. Just all depends. But we look at the latest loop, and one thing I noticed different about this IR, this potential. I'm hearing about a potential eyewall replacement cycle. I don't think that's really happening. If anything, I think it's an eye merger. One thing is how I think this has gotten even better in the last few frames is we got a perfect CDO now around the entire inner eyewall, and I do see it once again clearing out. So I could see this, staying as a Cat 5 tonight, okay? This is a very concerning storm. Because, we were expecting to have a landfall somewhere up in here. Where, look, the storm is. For that to happen, it was supposed to be over here. Or probably a little bit more here. Okay? So that has really changed. This is once again going a little bit east. How long does it go east? Because that will continue to move this a little bit more south. Okay? We can right now, with this doing this, this is how it's going right now, okay? This is like the track of it's doing right now. If it continues these wobbles, this can extremely go into Southwest Florida. Number one, the shear. There is no shear. I mean, there is shear to the north, but this was supposed to weaken because of shear. At this rate, if it continues to keep moving this south, the shear ain't gonna stop this. This will probably make a landfall as a strong Cat 4 if it continues on the south movement. Okay, I'm gonna explain this all. We are at 908 millibars, maybe a little bit more, but look, these are the tracking and intensity. And one thing I've noticed from the ZRZ is we don't just see a sudden drop. Okay. We are now starting to see a lot more consistent of a Cat 5 potentially in the next 24 hours. By the way, a landfall is tomorrow night. That is in 24 hours. And even regardless of some of these, you still got a strong Cat 4. So at this point, I will say Cat 4 will probably be making landfall in Florida. Okay, I will say right now a Category 4 landfall in Florida. Am I ruling out a Category 5 at this point? Yes. I don't think this is going to become a Cat 5 into Florida. If it did, we will have some major things to talk about. tomorrow night. And good news is we are going live tomorrow night, so be prepared for that. The NAM model's out, and I honestly, I love showing you now because, you know, for the first time, the NAM was right. The NAM showing that sub 800, you know, sub 900. Yeah, the NAM became that, okay? So we do notice, potentially, as this continues to move, we do see some of that weakening. But one thing I notice is tomorrow morning on the NAM, okay, is this strengthens. Uh-oh. Okay, I do not know if... Am I still live? Let me just double check. Steady. Let me get my stream out to more people, okay? We only have one person watching us. Okay. Okay, let's give this a little second on the NAM, and yeah. You do notice, by tomorrow morning, we could be dealing with still a Cat 5, okay? And we could be dealing with some strengthening throughout tomorrow afternoon, okay? This could have a third peak, theoretically. Or this could withstand a Category 5 about, I would say, wow. You know, NAM likes to keep this, you know, as a... I don't think it's going to go this far north. And I know it shows that weakening coming. But look, it hasn't making landfall in Tampa. It is continuing to move south. I think this is going to be more south. But you see how it shows that strengthening tomorrow? And one thing I would like to notice here is... this is going to be a big tornado potential. Because you see how these outer bands are? These are a lot of supercells, okay? We are seeing a lot of supercellular thunderstorms. And one thing is, I would love to go live tomorrow. And we are going to be tracking the tornadoes. We are going to be tracking complete on Milton, okay? Okay, so... Okay, so I'm doing some things here, but we are noticing a lot of that tornado risk, okay? We are really noticing that tornado risk. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, okay? Once again, our goal is to get to at least 5 likes. We are continuing watches. But you do notice here a lot of these supercellular thunderstorms. I mean, on radar, this is going to look pretty crazy and pretty sick. I mean, this is really a supercellular thunderstorm risk here. You could just see in the feeder bands, this could be a Category 5. Pretty close to landfall. Okay? We are not rolling out the NAM anymore. Because the NAM has pretty much been right. And this crossed the entire state, and theoretically, it keeps it as a hurricane. Even entering off the coast. And we've been noticing that, okay? We look at 18Z here and look at the landfall. They had... Wow, landfall is 920. That would have been bad. But pretty much in the same spot, okay? NAM, a little bit more of a south here, a little bit more west. We do notice that little shift. We're not looking at it for intensity. We kind of are, but not. Because we're watching the sea landfall. This is south of Tampa. This has trended, I think, south too. But one thing we notice here, it strengthens tomorrow. Or it withstands its strength. And it could even strengthen a little bit before landfall. Okay, not loop current. If the shear is not bad, and if it stays more south. And then, you know, it could make landfall, you know, at its original intensity. So whatever it is now, it could make, you know, close to that landfall. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that's one thing I've been noticing with the models here is, you know, yes, they are very, very off on currents analysis, but we're looking... Oh, sorry about that, you guys. Sorry about that rain. My mic just fell a little bit, okay? I am sorry about that. Okay, but... Okay. We do notice in the next, you know, hour or so, the millibar pressure actually goes up from where it is. It's not right, that 966. It's in the 9 teens right now. But we do notice it to fall back in quite a few millibars. And even into tomorrow morning. So we could have, theoretically, another peak. And if it stays around 920, we could drop right back into the 19s. Or even the 9 single digits, okay? I think that's not out of the realm of possibility right now on how this hurricane has been. But you see, it starts weakening, but it's not enough, okay? So, I am trending more now towards a Category 4 landfall. Okay, you guys can agree. You guys do not have to. I'm not saying you have to. But, please take this with a caution, okay? We notice it on here, too. This is the Wharf, too. Little bit better. No, it's not. 6. Okay. Still shows it strengthening tomorrow morning. And then withstanding its strength. And not even. You know, and then it, you know, last second maybe starts weakening. Okay. But we are noticing, generally, pressures do not go up as much as that we thought of a day or two ago. Okay. That's just one thing I want to point out there. Not just those. Let's now... We are taking a look at all the 0Z models. Or trying to. And we're trying to keep a track on satellite here. So let me... quickly... Okay, we do have a new update. Wow. Okay. So, officially, we will be taking a look at this. But we are down to 160. Still a Category 5, but it's only 5 miles an hour weaker. Kind of expected on me. I didn't really see it. But that was from before. We are noticing once again the eye is clearing and it's warming again. So this theoretically could, stay stronger. We are noticing the eye is actually warming. Wow. We are definitely noticing the eye warming a bit. This is not good, okay? We do not want to see an eye warming. That means the pressure could be once again dropping. The winds could be around that 165. I'm not saying that will happen, but we are noticing that. Great. Let me quickly do something here. We're gonna play the satellite. I'm doing stuff behind. I'm just watching the eyes, making sure of what's really going on here, because yes, it weakened about 5 miles an hour. Pressure, I didn't really check yet. We will cover that, okay? But yeah, eye is warming. So, very impressively here, I don't think, I, it's such a tough storm because how it's been. But I'm afraid, you guys, the pressure probably dropped a little bit, okay? I don't think we have any more recon to confirm this. But if we look closely, yeah, that is clearing skies again. Okay, this is not good. The eye is clearing again. And if this continues to clear, they might make an emergency update and up this to 165 again. Okay, I don't know yet. They finished that one. Yeah, they finished this one too. We probably won't get one into tomorrow morning. So we will have to wait and see. If not, they'll keep this at a 160, okay? So this is, yeah, they shifted more south of the cone. Wow. Yeah, look at the eye, actually. Really, really getting good now, actually. Again, look at that. Wow, new cone, and okay, we have some issues. Oh, we got an issue. So this is now expected to become 155 by 8 a.m. Okay, we are going to have to watch that. Could this stay as a Category 5 into tomorrow afternoon? I do think it's possible. Okay, but one thing we do notice here is this is at a 130, okay? And they do not, they have it as red, and then Cat 1. I'm very curious here. There's about 8 p.m.? Shoot. So midnight landfall, okay. So most likely in midnight landfall, we're gonna have to watch that. Not good if the eye is clearing out again, because we could Okay, not good. Let's get to this sadly. Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We have. Okay, I did not see you guys. I truly. The tornado is going to be bad. Yes, I completely agree. I wouldn't be surprised if it maintains its strength and gets stronger before landfall. I think they're being too conservative. I I'm gonna tell you right now. I wouldn't be surprised. Then you say is a possibility if it's speed up, it will not decrease its strength, instead maintain it. If it moves now slower, if it definitely decrease. Okay, so like I've been saying, is the further south it goes, less of the wind shear. Um, so I'm kind of worried. Then you say, is there another eye wall replacement? That's the same thing I thought. So, an eye merger and an eye wall replacement's different. An eye merger is a much quicker process, and I honestly will say, from what I am seeing on satellite presentation, I let me quickly look at a radar. It's probably okay. Let me quickly go into a radar here. I don't think it's in radar now. It's not good enough. It's not in the Miami radar yet. So I think we're just going to have to wait for radar data. But the eye, I will say, is continuing to clear out, and it's widening just a bit. So not good signs according to satellite imagery. We are noticing the eye is clearing out a little bit better than the last hour. So this could still be fairly well into a Cat 5, 165 mile an hour storm. I know the National Hurricane Center says it is not. But we might have to see. This one's done. When is next mission, though? I'm very curious. They'll probably have one a little bit later on here. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice. We have Invest 93L. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Just continuing to move. Wow, that has really moved east. That's not good, you guys. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. It is not good. Honestly, the tropical storm watches for the Carolinas, I don't know why they have it. Honestly. I don't think they even need to worry at this point. Once again, we looked at Cape Coral. We looked at the intensity there. We can still look at some models, watch it, be careful with it. Okay. How does the herd do with 1Z? Let's look. It has the pressure dropping. Okay. This is another thing that's very interesting. I'm noticing it too for tomorrow. It's one of those interesting things. I know it's right there, but it shows once again. Has it weakening in pressure like it is now, but then as of tomorrow morning, pressures drop again. Very interesting, right? And then it maintains, and then it drops again. It has this little drop, and then about maintains. It's very interesting to me that on the herd we keep noticing even a more west push. If this continues to happen, we are most likely could be dealing with a Cat 4 landfall or Cat 5. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now. What I'm seeing with the trends, it's not good trends, okay? Really, really, really not good trends. The models have just been doing terrible with this, but we noticed that more westward, and then, once again, that morning time, it goes from a 970. It's not really like that right now, but look, 165, 161. So we once again see that noticeable at least into tomorrow morning. And later morning, we notice this could withstand or maybe strengthen just a little bit more. So we could wake up back to 165 or stay at a 160. Okay? That's very important. Then, it shows 162, so maybe a little increase. But then drops right back to 160, 160. And then, very crazy thing here. On the latest icon, shows a 957. I know the pressures are way above. But that's one thing we are noticing on the models lately, is that this does not weaken because of shear anymore. Shear is now becoming less and less on the models. And this could honestly withstand or strengthen a little bit and stay around a Cat 5 and 2 landfall in Florida. I'm telling you right now, it's not out of the realm of possibility, especially if it keeps moving south. Okay? Then, it has, making landfall, but that's one thing I continue to notice with each model run, is it deepens it tomorrow morning too. Let's go into about 11. This was around there. Even AT&T did have it, but it has it less. Okay? And the 12Z had it even, I think, more or less, actually. Yeah, kind of. It was a weird model run. But either way, that's what the 0Z models are showing as of right now, is a stronger landfall. Okay, stronger. Keyword is stronger. Even has it withstanding. Yeah, about tomorrow on this one. Okay. I'm not looking at that. Gyro is no point to look at, but I guess why not? For fun and giggles. This is 11 p.m. Boom. And then it has it. Very interesting, too. Okay, this is actually becoming more of a trend. Okay. It has it going from 957 to 958. So the pressures does rise, just like it is right now. But look at tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. We notice a major pressure drop, and then it withstands, and then it drops even further. And we notice that throughout tomorrow morning, and even tomorrow night. Okay, this is a very interesting signal that we are noticing on the latest models, okay, is strengthening even tomorrow. That wasn't likely. So, with it being this low in millibars, it's kind of concerning me for a major catastrophic landfall for Florida. Okay? Then we notice 953 kind of stays like that and then weakens a little bit. But we are noticing it keeps on getting south and stronger and stronger. And right now where it is, below 920s, not good, okay? Not good. Let's take a look at recon, not recon, the satellite imagery once again. Wow, the eye. Look at that from the beginning of that to now. That is not good. eye is continuing to be warm. This is, wow, very crazy to me. Let's actually take a look at windy and let's just look at this. By the way, I need... Oh, there is lightning. Okay. No. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Just... Let's go back. Let's go back around 9 o'clock. Okay, actually, let's go all the way back to here about 2 hours ago. Look at the eye temp. Okay, we're gonna get pretty close. We had some of these clouds, not a fully around eye. Then let's go about 10. There it is. Wow, the eye looks a little bit better. Okay, still having some issues here. And then we go to about 10:35. Yeah, you notice it. Eye temp warmed. And then now let's go to now. Wow. -47 degrees Celsius. Wow. That is significant, you guys. Oh, okay. They're talking about something else. Okay. So, being that said, let's go into weather nerds. We're going to actually look at the lightning. Okay. This is another thing how I am telling that there. Sorry about the microphone again. I hit it with my knee. I am very sorry about that. I guarantee you that like bothers the mic. So I'm very sorry about that. But we are at 3. Okay, okay. Is it still Cat 5? Yes, it is. Hello, hello. We are... I am watching the chat currently. I'm sorry if you guys can see it. Is it like tapping into warmer waters? Yes, it is. Pretty interesting. Earlier data showed for a moment. Yes, I agreed. It is getting wider. What microwave image it's looking like. I will get that out for you. It is still category 5. I'm guessing power outages will start 30-40 minutes before landfall. Most likely here, I have a bad feeling about the storm surge. Yes, I think the storm surge can get up to about 20 feet on the rate of this intensification and potentially how it continues to stay strong here. It's fluctuating a lot. I believe the same. Sup? Hello, everyone. Hello. I truly think there's going to be tornado threats. So, yes. Any questions, you guys? Any questions? If you guys do, please leave me know. I'll be checking on that, too. Let's go. Wow. Look at the eye right there. The eye is honestly just getting better and better with each frame. This is not good, you guys. With a better looking eye... doesn't mean an eye wall placement ever happened, most likely, okay? 48 now degrees, you guys. The eye is now 48 degrees. That is even more significant. We were looking at 47 before, now it's 48 degrees Celsius. Yeah, look how warm this eye is here. Very, very, very impressive hurricane. I wish Recon was in this. I agree. I wish Recon was too. Wow, look at that. Any more questions? Yep, it's still Cat 5. Yep, it is still Category 5. Thank you guys for all your support. We are trying to get, once again, to 5 likes. Please share, like, and subscribe. We are, once again, trying to get to 200 subscribers. But right now, we're at 159. Let's get that, let's just make it to 160 tonight, okay? Let's get to 160. Okay, please. Let's get this to 160 subscribers tonight here. But once again, the eye is noticeably strengthening here. I wouldn't be surprised it's strengthening, or it's once again dropping in millibars just a little bit. Okay, I'm not trying to scare you guys. We'll be looking at Cape Coral again towards the end of the stream, you guys. But there it is, that lightning continuing in the eye wall. This is one thing that's telling me that what we were talking about in eye wall replacement yesterday, the lightning kind of died a bit. Not in this right here. Okay, the eye is continuing to wrap. It's still having the same signature as a Cat 5. And the lightning is still as bad as it was before. Okay, and the eye is warming. So, not good signs right now. Right now, this goes right north of Cape Coral, just a little bit north, where the National Hurricane Center has it, probably a little bit south of it. Current tracks are, okay. GFS is not out. We're going to be waiting on the GFS here. Let's take a look at half speed here. I just want to take a quick look. So, okay. 937, 942. Once again, very, very interesting. Showed around 8 p.m. Okay. Had it weakening just a bit. It's definitely not even near its pressure. 934, then 919 by 2 a.m. Boom. It could be strengthening again. And then tomorrow, it strengthens in the morning. This is what I'm saying. We could be on a strengthening phase into tomorrow morning. Another rapid intensification tonight, okay? This actually then goes up to 926, 929, 939, 940. And it makes landfall just out there. This could be a little bit stronger. It's been turning stronger on the halves B. Halves A shows, wow, it actually really deepening into tomorrow morning and then slowly losing that. We're going to have to wait to 0Z. I do not buy it yet because it's been continuing to push it back. 902, 901, wow, look at that. Even has in the morning, potentially back to 990, 896. And then by 2, still Cat 5, and this makes landfall as a Cat 4 strong, maybe even a 5. Yeah, that's, Hemin is not out of the realm, okay? But we're noticing it looks like it might be strengthening again. And then, and then Herf has it withstanding its strength through tomorrow morning. And then slowly weakening. I think this will be more of a south track, though. I'm going to be honest with you on that. This is the Herbs 2Z. We're not looking at the pressure. We are currently looking at the track. And yes, we are looking at the pressure. But we are not bothering. You're doing good. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe. I do this as much times tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going live. Most likely tomorrow night. If not, I'll be with Pat's Path Predictor. So please shout out to him. And shout out to DPK Fish Aquarium. You are a great person here. Thank you guys for all your support. Once again, we are trying to get that like here to at least 5 likes. The goal is to get the 5 likes and let's get to 160 subscribers. Okay, that's the goal. If we can do 160 subscribers, I will stay on for another hour tracking this with you guys. Okay, I'm going to make a fair deal right there. Another hour if you guys just hit 1 more subscribe, okay? I'll stay live for another hour before I will have to go, okay? Okay, sorry about that quiet period for a second. Okay, I'm sorry. We got 5 watching. Okay, what interesting? What's in front before a hurricane? Oh yeah, yeah. Do you want me to talk about that? I can definitely talk about that if you want. I'll be interested to talk about that. That's up to you guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. You know the National Hurricane Center re-updated, but look. Once again, we are having an eastern jog towards this side of the cone. Okay, not good. Once again, we keep pushing it more and more south. And I just have a bad feeling about this, you guys. It keeps on moving south. The eye is warming more and more. It just gives me that bad feeling here. Only if we do now see a little bit. No. Yeah, no. The eye is still extremely warm. Once again, I think we're noticing an eastern shift. Eastern jog again. We keep noticing that. That's not good. Wow, 148. We already found 148. Really? Whoa. We have now 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. It warmed even more in the latest path, you guys. 51 degrees here. Okay, I'm looking at some data here in the behind. Let's see how we are doing. I I see 4 likes on my end more. Oh shoot, are we really? I didn't even notice. Let me notice. I didn't even notice if we are or not. Okay. Oh, we are. And we hit 160 subscribers. Okay, thank you for letting me know. We are now at 160 subscribers and 4 likes. We are 1 like away from the goal. And thank you. I remember shooting on the nail with Helene intensity and landfall was impressive. Thank you. I really appreciate you, man. You are really making me feel good right now. Thank you. By the way, I do have a Discord. If you do want, I will like for you to join it. I do like to post my streams and stuff in there when and it will encounter wind shear. Okay, that's a really good question here. So we're gonna talk a little bit about the wind shear. Let's go into. Let me actually quickly. Let's look at this. The her here. Noticing once again, it weakens, but now it starts to strengthen into tomorrow morning, 974. Okay. We are going to take a look at the shear here. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry about that, you guys. I am really looking in the behind scenes, seeing every update and tweets from other people, and I'm just seeing my take on it. So let's go to the. They don't have it on here. No, 200 millibar win. We're gonna take a look at the 200 millibar win. Let's go into current time here. 11 p.m. So one thing we are noticing as of 11 p.m. is good cyclonic flow. You can tell we are noticing that on all quadrants. Yes, there is some shear near the core, but this is honestly going outwards here. You don't see it going against with the system. So, and then you kind of see shear trying to penetrate, but then that goes like that. So this is how it's looking. You don't really see any shear on it as 11 p.m. tonight. Let's take this to 2 a.m. Once again, pretty similar thing. We notice, yes, we got some more shear here, but that goes down. Shear goes outwards this way. We got shear going outwards this way. And we do have shear doing this, but then it gets slingshotted out this way. So once again, there's not really shear on this system around 2 a.m. And as of tonight, right now. And then you do see here, we go into 5 a.m. We're going to take it frame by frame. Once again, like the shear was supposed to pick up, no. You see these arrows right here facing a little bit more south? That's wind's going not really against it. It's not going west to east here. We're noticing doing that. Then we notice shear over here. Yes, it looks like it's actually helping the involvement of the upper cloud patterns. You notice that here too. That's not really shear. That's shear to the north. What really shear is probably this right here. This right here is being sheared. Okay? So even on the Gyro's 18Z, and we can even look at some other models that support it. Okay? Now we go to 8 a.m. and once again, we don't really see any shear. We're noticing these arrows going around it. Okay, that's actually helping the rotation of this. Then you can kind of see the outflow right here. Really, really well here, actually. 8 a.m. tomorrow. And even over here, you really just don't see the shear. It's not going against it. If we did have shear, you'll be seeing these arrows over here going like this, okay, against the storm. And we were noticing that maybe a few days ago that was supposed to happen. but we do not notice that, okay, right now. Then you can kind of see it. This is by 11 a.m. tomorrow now. We pick up a little bit, but still, once again, we don't see shear because these are going up like this. The shear over here is honestly helping cyclonic outflow here. Like this. Okay, and you don't see these arrows crashing into this. So once again, by 11 a.m. tomorrow, the shear on the euro, it's not really there like it was supposed to be. Then we go into 2. Let's skip it again. You know, let's go to 2. 2 o'clock tomorrow, we still don't really have shear, okay? We kind of got a little bit shear now on the northern side, but no, that gets slingshotted north, okay? You notice that, right? It's going around. And this is just one model here. It's not even all that. And if we just go into the next frame, 947, now we're starting to notice a little bit of shear with these arrows going against it. And we might see that, but it's not as strong as we were forecasting before like this. This is what we were forecasting a few runs before. Is just straight across shear. I mean, look, this was straight across shear. Okay, so I hope that kind of explained what's going on this shear. That was that was yesterday, I would say. Okay, so let's see if you have any more questions. So once again, we have 3 watching. Thank you guys for 4. Let me just quickly update this. And wow, I hear we are at 161 subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate that, you guys. We are once again slamming home with these streams here. We are now at 161 subscribers. Thank you once again. Our goal is 200. Thank you for the 4 likes. I really, really appreciate that. Wow, what time is the next recon mission? I see 161. Woohoo. I think this is the same going to be a little bit. I remember hitting on the nail. When will it encounter wind shear? So I think it's going to be a little bit more south. I agree. A little bit more south. What time do you think next recon is? I don't. Probably tomorrow morning. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest. I think next recon is tomorrow morning. Okay. So now let's take just a little second from the shear. Okay. I notice what's going on. Once again, we are looking at here, and you guys notice what I see? Yeah. The eye is south of the National Hurricane Center's forecast again. So this could be even shift more west and south, okay? That's very important. Look at that. Not good what we are seeing. Cool. Let's look at this eye here. 150 I just saw. About 50, 51 degrees Celsius here. Let's get the latest imagery loop here. Let's just make sure there's nothing new here. And no, wow. Looks like the eye might be clearing out again, you guys. So we actually do have a radar. We are going to bring that up in just a moment, you guys. What I'm hearing that this is strengthening again, you guys. And and we are getting some tweets. If we look at the Cuba radar here, who's on here right now? What time is the next recon mission? Oh wait, we got even more. Evan Fiver said it's weakening now. Okay, I know who that is, you guys, but I don't think it is, you guys. Because once again, the eye is honestly warming, and he's probably looking at the old recon data, and yes, it was weakening before. Oh, you guys, we got a new recon mission. We got recon mission 18. We actually might stay up for this one. Okay, we actually might stay up for this one, you guys. We got recon mission 18. This is breaking news. Let me actually write this right here in the chat. Recon going in the next 30 minutes, I would say. Okay, there you guys go. I did not know. Say, alright, it might be weakening, but still has warm water to get back stronger, and wind shear's not looking that stronger and not affecting much. Yes, that is very true. So, as we got all these viewers right now, I would love for us to get to 5 likes here. Let's hit that. Let's get one more like. And, you know, once again, let's get that goal up to 200 subscribers. Not expecting that, you guys. Once again, the plan is for tomorrow. I am going to be live streaming this event most likely tomorrow night. So we are once again going to be trying to get to that point. So I really would appreciate that. Here, so recon is going back in this, and this is very good. This is a good mission. So we might get some lower pressures, you guys. We might actually see Milton upgrade back to a 165. Okay, I want to be completely honest here. What I am seeing on satellites, it's looking better than before. That's pretty concerning, right? And wow, Milton's forming a face. Everybody's going crazy about this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Milton has formed... Wow, look at that. That is very impressive. You guys. And look how this is just moving west. East, northeast. Wow. This is just crazy. We are now most likely... let's just get that to one more like here. Even the front might push it a tad bit south in my observers. I completely agree. Thank you. I really appreciate that, man. Maybe when it gets closer, I'm sure, in my opinion. It could, but right now we are... Okay. Let's get this to 5 likes, you guys. We are just 1 like away. Let's get to that goal in the next hour here, as recon is going to be going into this. You know, I know I should be going... Oh, we did hit it. Thank you. We are now staying up for another hour, and we're staying up for recon. Okay? Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay? Thank you. I really appreciate it. Definitely not strong enough like it was forecasted. Oh, yeah. I completely agree. Definitely not as strong enough. I have a question. DPK Fish, as you've been watching, am I lagging at all? And if you know anyone, if you know other people that likes watching weather streams, you know, you can help my channel out and just help this information that I'm explaining because I'm very good at looking at the chat and answering as many questions as I can. So if you are down, please share that with people. I would like for that to be a thing. I am noticing an Easter shift again. Not good. So we're going to do Cuba radar here. We're going to be looking at the Cuba's weather radar. We're going to be looking at radar now. No, I don't like that one. I don't know if this is the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for one Pacific one. Nah, wait, maybe. No. I think it might be this one. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look at that, you guys. Very, very impressive here on the Cuban radar here. We are watching Hurricane Milton here. Looks like I do not see any signs currently of an eye wall replacement cycle at all. Okay. Very good eye wall, actually. This is the radar currently. We've had some tornadic bands going to Cuba, if you do not notice that. This is much bigger. It's just how the radar is. It's a little bit out there, too. But look at that. Very nice symmetrical eye. Once again, Cat 5 hurricane here. So, if you guys want me to keep looking back at that, please let me know. Any data of buoys near the storm? Hey, I have a question. I don't really know any spots or buoys. Can you maybe look at that and help me out? You know, I wonder, really curious about, I wonder if that's an ocean. I honestly don't know. I'm going to be completely honest, I don't know. Very, very impressive eye here. Honestly, Recon might actually up this back to 165. They might find support for 165 again. And we might find lower pressures again. I'm not going to be surprised. We might be back down to the 908s and 910s. Okay, I just completely forgot, you guys. We completely forgot about the National Hurricane Center here. Leslie is now an 80. 20. 160 moving. 115 millibars. Right now, I would say it's probably 110, 108. I mean 910, 908 millibars. I wouldn't be surprised if they drop this back down and the winds go back up. Okay. Let's look at the discussion here for this. So, this was a little bit ago, has been investigating, providing a number of center fixes, NOAA aircraft, flight level wind data drops on the measure, and other valuable data from the aircraft confirmed that hurricane had regained Category 5 intensity with maximum winds near 145 knots and essential pressure around low as 902. More recent aircraft observed showed that the central has risen somewhat, so the virus tends slightly down to 140. This is also consistent with the latest subject, Lord Maxwell estimated from. Oh, we need to look at that, you guys. What do I not need here is door that. Sorry, you guys. I just not. Where is it? Okay. Okay, let's see the latest Dorvax, because they say it's about agreeing with that. No, they don't. They're saying 158 knots, 901. That is current. I don't think it's that low, though. Time was 13 UTC. We're gonna have to watch that. Any questions? I have a feeling they were going back in. Yeah, yeah. It's heading. Really curious to know. You'll hit 6 likes. Thank you, everyone, for support matter. Thank you. Your support matters. Yo, thank you, man. You have just been awesome. You have been the #1 man. You guys, shout out to him, you guys. He's a great man. I do not know why this is loading. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Once again, we are trying to get to 200 subscribers. We are already hit our goal of 5. It would be nice to even hit more likes, okay? I will really appreciate that. Any okay, I thought you were, okay. If you have any questions, please let me know. I just checked the buoys. Ocean water temps are still pretty warm. Yeah, they are very warm, actually. We don't have to worry about that. Once again, another frame comes in, and this is more south of the cone right now. You guys, more south of the cone. This could make landfall even further south. And right now, I wouldn't be surprised. This ADM might be still 160. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Maybe even more. We are just watching the evolvement here of this. Eye is really clearing out. And is it moving a little bit south? Oh, wow, look at that eye right there. Very impressive look. I'm so curious about Recon, you guys. I hope Recon is just flying in there like as fast as they could. I'll love to get Recon soon. Look at that. It's definitely doing an eastern jog here. Not good, actually, for that reason. Oh, yeah, look at that. Moving. Really nice eye, by the way. I mean, this eye is really looking impressive here. Oh, wow, you guys. We got even more. Wow. We got an eye here of 156, you guys. We got even a warmer eye. Okay. Sorry about that. So, I just had to take a picture of this. 156 on the latest look. That's an impressive eye, you guys. We're continuing to notice the strength. Just a little lag. I just checked the buoys. Just share it on Facebook. Okay, thank you. It is a little lag. I don't. Is it still a little lag? Is it really that bad? I've been trying to really fix that. Um, please let me know. I noticed it a little bit. Let me help. I think I'm not helping the cause having like 50 tabs open on my phone and on the computer with all of this weather. So let me just fix that just a little bit. I'm very sorry about that. Shared it on Facebook. Sorry about my spelling. I'm right now. Sorry about the grammar. Thank you. You really would be a great member in the weather team. Yeah. You really would be. I'm very. You have absolutely been great. I think you'll be a great monitor. So, hey, if you have Discord, please add me. Okay, it's in my channel here, and we just got an update here. Still 156. Mm, 56 here, okay? Very impressive. The eye is so good looking right now. Wow. Very impressive. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Yeah, it's definitely a little lag there. I'm not even gonna lie. Do I need this anymore? No. Recon, are you going out yet? Please. No, it's definitely lagging a bit now. Okay. I'm just giving my computer a second to work before I do make it crash. Can I share a buoy link here? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. I don't know if I'm lagging, but yeah, go ahead. I will definitely show you guys on here. Okay, so let's keep reading this. Has regained wind max near that. So the temperature has risen, so the temperature is down. Central fixes. Milton is now expected to maintain a major hurricane while it crosses Mexico. I'll go vertical. Wind shear could cause so they do have landfall around 1:30 now. About category 4 hurricane. I think that could be a little stronger. But we're gonna have to just wait and see. Okay. Once again, we are waiting on recon. If they want to come out. If they do not, then I might not be able to. But we'll try. Eye is very impressive on satellite. Very impressive. Much better than earlier. 53, 55, 58. We have now a reading of 58. Wow, 58 here. We are now at 58 here. I'm looking at some of this data here. Just give me one. Okay, my bad. Let me see if there's any comments. I'm looking behind. You can save the link. There's some data in link. You can save that link. What do you mean? I don't. Add as a moderator. Standard monitor. Here, you're is now managing moderator. There, dude. You get that. Hide, remove, pin this message. Go to. Does he have a channel? I don't think so. Oh, he does. Hey, shout out to him, you guys. Okay, we are actually making a huge shout out here. I'm gonna actually. Okay. Shout out. Okay, I just subscribed to your channel. You're very welcome. Shout out to Pete DPK Fish Aquarium. He has a great YouTube channel there, you guys. He would love the support here out of you guys. Very, very supportive channel. I would love to give. I'll. No. I'm gonna get the. Okay. I know we should be talking about the weather. I was just trying to. I don't know if I can do that yet. Shout out to him, you guys. Shout out to him. I'm gonna actually pin this here. We're pinning that. Shout out to him. Maybe the link will work. Okay. Okay, so it does. We do have actually some buoy data. Thank you to our great dude here. Thank you. I really appreciate that. let me quickly update this here. Okay, so we got some buoy data. Pretty cool here. We don't have any buoys near the storm, though. But we do have some buoys over here that's going to be very crucial. So, I would definitely keep this link here. Because this definitely will have some good buoys. Oh, wow. It tells you a lot here. East-north buoys. Average wave period. Significant wave height. Right now, wow. Already about 7 feet of water here. This is actually going to be a very good website. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Let's just update that. I'm watching. Why I keep doing this, you guys, is I'm watching the comments. Because we're waiting for recon and we're waiting for more data. So if you guys are not new, yeah. That's what we're doing here. You guys, the eye just keeps getting warmer. Oh, really? That's really not good. Thank you. Thank you guys for all your support. Let me show you guys this. It honestly keeps getting worse. This might have a secondary peak. Actually, not even. This already had a secondary peak. Yeah, look at that. Those latest frames. Here, you guys. Really keeping that strength here. Okay. We're keeping that. Let's have a look at lightning update, you guys. It's 12:03 right now. Wow. We have a lot of lightning in the eye right now. We have probably the most I've seen in a while. This might be still strengthening, you guys. Not good. Really, really not good, actually. We're gonna update this here. Come on, no radar update. Radar has not updated. Not good for me here. Okay. Yeah, look at that, you guys. The National Hurricane Center might have to once again push the track south here. We've just been noticing that more, that east push here, and this would keep it a little bit more south. So once again, less shear then. This means less shear, more favorability, and potentially more stronger. Oh, 57. Very good eye looking here. 58. Still about 58. So eye is about the same temp as before, but it is holding, you guys. You remember, every hour this holds a category 5, the more likely Florida is doomed. In the easiest way possible. Look at the eye, though. Very, very pinholed eye. It's such a good-looking eye. I mean, it's honestly unrealistic that we are having a Cat 5 holding in the Gulf of Mexico at this time. This is probably down under 910 again. Very impressive. It's not lagging a lot. It's just every now and then you're good. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, my friend. Um, come on, Recon. Okay, Recon's officially leaving. This will set in stone. We're gonna have to wait and see how long Recon takes. We might just do one pass and then go, because it's already 12:07 here. So the GFS says, yeah, it's a 966, a little bit more west. Says this will strengthen to a 963, so drop another 3 millibars, so potentially strengthening it into tomorrow morning. And then it has it staying the same strength into 2. And then it actually has it dropping another millibar according to GFS. And a little bit more north. Very interesting. A little bit more north. Okay. Has it dropping another millibar, so maybe a little 4th secondary peak. Okay, around 8. And then this makes landfall as a 969. And then this just goes straight on west. Around 2 a.m. So we might be doing a live like this tomorrow morning. Tomorrow. And then this crosses over, makes it through, and then, yeah. So, not good. So, now let's actually take a look at the newest GFS 200 millibar here. As we are waiting on Recon. We're going to really digest the GFS, take a look at the rain, the wind, all that, okay? So, this is pretty much 2 a.m. Look at the favorability here, okay? We got arrows moving like this here, so that's not wind shear there. We got very good wind shear like this, so we don't have to worry about any wind shear like that. Wind shear's going out like this. Wind shear's going out like this. So, honestly, there's no really wind shear. These arrows are down here. These kind of come up and then they kind of wrap around. So I don't see any shear like that. Shears like that. So right here at this time, there's no really thing. And if we look at last run to this run, we notice a little bit more south. And we actually noticed less shear. Yeah, we're actually noticing less shear on the latest. Yeah, I'm seeing this. I'm watching something here. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry about that. But we notice that we go into the next frame here, and we compare it to last frame, honestly, and what we see here is better outflow. Honestly, this is why it strengthens even more. We're noticing more of a bend now this way than the last run, okay? That's even better of a bend than before. We have very good outflow like this. We got very good outflow like that there, so we don't have to worry about that. Then you got some wind shear over here, but that doesn't even make it to the core because that gets slingshotted with outflow here. Then this wind shear to the south kind of helps to do that, and you can tell by the arrows. So once again on the latest GFS here, okay, let's go in the last run. It was actually a little bit less, I think, favorable. Look how it's more, less sheared, push back on the shear. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit better here. And then we kind of notice that same there. And then boom, this gets sucked up. Interesting. Okay. The winds here, I mean, I'm not actually, never mind. We are not going to be looking at the winds. Because now we are way stronger than that. Total accumulations rain year. Here it is. If you guys are in Orlando here, and this color right here, you guys are expecting to get 6 inches. So this right here is about 6 plus, okay? If you guys are in here, 3 to 6. Okay, I'm saying 3 to 6 in here. And then right in here, probably 6 to 12 inches. Maybe even more, okay? That could be a little bit more south or a little bit more north. That honestly just all depends. We looked at total accumulations from last run to this run. I don't know, nothing really changed here on that department. Let's go to the new Canadian, because that's now out. And we look at the rainfall here. The rainfall has actually picked up. Much more of a actual widespread 6 to 12 inches. Okay. Let me quickly update. Actually, yeah, so let me do this here. Let me, yeah, I knew. 1:40 a.m. is not good. Okay, we are going crazy with chat here. Okay. Thank you. We are popping off with chat here. This is great. The eye is just holding at this point. The eye is doing a very, very well job. Very well done job. So now, thank you guys. We are at 6 likes here. We are really doing good here, you guys. I have not seen a better stream. I think this is honestly a better stream than last stream. We noticed so many comments here. Sorry, it's not a good time. Yep. Mission 17 found 904. Mission away. Yep. I saw that Jordan, I don't know, recent. Checking in now, you're welcome. More tools, info for viewers. Yes, we are waiting on data on recon mission. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. I really, really appreciating this, you guys. We are absolutely crushing tonight. We are probably doing the best stream out of any night here, you guys. This is, this is the goal, is to get better and better with these streams. And I get it, they might be a little lag, or it might be a little bit, what's the word? Not professional. I do try and make it as professional as possible, but we are noticing, we have to give our own opinion. It's not just like, don't give your own opinion, because everybody got an opinion on this, okay? So about 55, went down a little bit, okay? Very, very impressive storm. We are waiting on recon, so I really appreciate that. You, by the way, my moderator, you can actually help answering some questions if we do get any, if I do not see it. So, very impressive look here. Very well pronounced hurricane. Category 5 hurricane, my bad. Wow. Look at the eye, though. This is so impressive to me. I was honestly, when I started noticing the eye was filling in, I didn't expect it to be turning out to be looking like this. This is a very consistent Cat 5 hurricane, definitely a Category 5. Oh, and look at that, you guys. The eye is even further away from the initial National Hurricane Center's thing. Wow, that's crazy. We're 7-2. The paint color is almost getting uniform around the storm. Is pretty impressive. Even water vapor images, very impressive too. Yeah, I know, right? Very impressive. This did update. Not okay. We were actually at 901.3. We're now at 901.0. And we're at now 158 knots. So, wow. Actually went even up. The pressure went down, actually. That's pretty scary. I'm honestly getting a little tired, but we're gonna hold into recon is done. Yeah, recon is trying. They are rushing theirs right now, so hopefully they'll be there by 1. I'm hoping to be done by 1:30. I can get at least a few hours of sleep here, because we are doing this tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna be doing exactly this. Hey, question. DPK Fish Aquarium, can you help me with the stream tomorrow? Please just let me know down in the chat. If you give me another moderator, and please help me tomorrow. If you're subscribed, you should be able to get my live stream. So if you're able to come on, I would love to have you on again. You are an absolutely great moderator. You can be a moderator tomorrow. You have really helped with these links and stuff. So feel free to come here. And anyone else, if you guys feel free to chat and talk to each other and talk about this, feel free ahead. Just let's not talk about, anything like politics or anything. But here it is. The eye is... The lightning's just crazy right now. Really just been popping off here. So let's get another Cuba update radar as we are waiting here. Uh-oh. Am I okay, no, I'm not. Okay. Very, very actually impressive. There's that latest frame. Oh, yeah. Once again, it's being compressed, but wow. I don't see any signs of an eye wall replacement, you guys. It is the latest frames, too. I do not see an eye wall replacement at this current time on radar and satellites. I do not confirm any of that going on. So let's keep it going, you guys. Let's keep it going to recon, okay? That is a very large goal here. Any new update, man? I don't know if you're here. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh my goodness, the eye. You guys, the eye is warming even further. On the latest frame, the eye is getting even better organized. This is very crazy. We could be right now dealing with another peak. Look at that. I thought Wendy did do it before. But I guess not. Very impressive eye here. Radar is very impressive. There's... We're really just waiting for recon, okay? It's... They're moving, I guess. It's just... There'll be a little bit, I feel, though. So let's just take a break, you guys. Let's take a second. I'm currently just looking in the behind chats here. Wow. Okay, yo. Wait, no. Yeah, this is still... Right? This isn't still... Okay. I saw something that... Okay, it's still, yeah, 160. Okay. Probably it's gonna... They ain't no way dropping this to 155. I do not see this going any lower than a Cat 5 right now. At least until we get recon. Okay, recon is making their slow approach. I can definitely see them getting close by like 1. If not, then we're probably gonna end the stream. But let's see. We're gonna have to, really see any questions, because I can kind of go over the models again, look at everything for us here. But, and from somewhat, it's a little bit moving north. Okay, whoa. We got some stuff here. So since the last 36 hours, roughly, the intensity forecast has been vastly underestimated. Take the intensity forecast with a huge grain of salt, but forecast track seems pretty accurate. Yeah, I completely agree. Wow, 8 to 12 inches rain has fallen in some areas expected. I agree, Jordan. And from somewhat, yeah. We are really doing a good night, you guys. We are absolutely doing a great. I would love to do this live tomorrow and do even better. So if we can get this out to more people and do another live tomorrow if Pat's Path Predictor is not on, I would definitely do a stream on my own channel, and we'll really talk about this. Yes, I know there's not that many people on, but we are slowly but surely growing it with each stream. Okay, thank you. I've been trying to fix that. Okay. Let's get a latest image loop here. Wait. That is not. Okay. The eye is really, really warm right now, you guys. Really warm. Let's watch that for a little bit, okay? Fuck. Recon. Milton down. No way. It's it's still category 5. I'm hearing right now this is downgraded to 155. I'm sorry, but from earlier, this is no way. Recon is gonna completely bruh. Wait, let me. Okay, nope. Okay, we are. I'm sorry. I was just looking at. Okay, okay. Hello, everybody. It's probably because of the lag. I just had to update my YouTube. Okay, there's a YouTube update. It's caused a little lag in anyone's chat on Android device update. I've been there tomorrow and in the path of hurricane. Wow, in Melbourne, Florida. Hold on, let me check something and narrow down the lag. I'll be here as long as. Okay, thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Sorry, you guys, if there is a lag. Okay. Okay, it's still one. Okay, good. We are still chilling at 160. Okay, it is not 155, you guys. That got me where I saw something in the chat. Someone was putting some fake news, made it look like it was downgraded from 918. I was about to say, I was about to lose it. I was like, no way, National Hurricane Center is downgrading this even further after what we're seeing on there. I mean, look at the eye. I mean, there is nothing but lightning. By the way, we need to watch out with some of these supercells over here. They are producing some water sprouts. That's been recording at a key. So if you guys are in Florida, tornado watches might be going up very shortly. Let's get an update here on this. Wow. Oh. Wow, this has no eyewall replacement cycle, according to the latest frames of the radar. Still no eyewall recycle. Still very crazy on the eye. This is really, really, really not good. That's not even updated. I don't need this. We have two friends. Looks slightly. It probably caused a lag. I just had to update YouTube. Okay. Let's get an update here on image loop. Oh my goodness. You guys, the eye is even better. You guys. Yo. Are you seeing this? DP Fish Aquarium. Are you seeing? I think you on top messages cat is I keep refreshing all of my message recharges heads up. I think you on top messages chat. It keeps putting me in to keep refreshing. I don't know why it's doing that. So like question. Hey, do you guys see what we are seeing here on the satellite imagery right now? It is probably almost the perfect circle, you guys. This could be trying to break its first and second peak. This has one of the best okay. Wow, you guys, we might need to actually take a look. Do you see this eye right now? It is perfectly symmetrical now. It's probably better than the last few other frames. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely warmer. About 57 again. That is so impressive here. Holy cow, look at that. Holy cow. We need to look at some models. Once again, the eye is rapidly intensifying, you guys. I'm afraid this might be in the rapidly intensifying phase. We are waiting on recon. Please be farther out. Oh my goodness. Recon's actually taking forever. It's not even funny anymore. We're gonna be taking a look at some of the models here. I'm honestly kind of afraid here. Oh. 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 The hit chat filter is set all messages. It should fix it. Still waiting on recon joining. They closed. Oh, they are? Okay, so they are closed. Okay. Thank you. Oh, wow. Okay. You guys. Please tell me this is a joke. This is at, according to the half speed, this is at a 894 millibar. This is probably a little overdone. But I'm sorry to break this to you guys, but this is bad. Has a 994 by 11. This is probably, yeah, no. We go into 2 a.m. Wow. Look at this. This is by 11 a.m. tomorrow. I know, but look. This is getting close to landfall. And this is a full-out Cat 5. Do you guys, anyone see this right now? I mean, look at this one, too. 983 and then 900. I mean, wow. This has trended for a very bad, I was not expecting that. Audio is good, just to let you know. Thank you. Hey, David Lee, what's up? What's up? Any questions? Any questions, anyone? Please let me know in the comments below. Ow. This has just been a draining night. Truly a powerhouse hurricane. You know, in my hurricane updates, I did talk about, the potential of this powerhouse storm. Yeah. All I'm gonna say is, thank you. The goal, okay, my next goal, I would like to say, let's get to 10 likes. Okay, let's get a few more likes. Okay, I think we could do a little bit more. I think we could pull off a few more likes. Oh, you guys, Recon's getting closer. Yeah, we're gonna wait for Recon. Yeah, we're gonna wait for Recon. We're gonna get a few passes here. I have a bad feeling about this. I'm not even gonna lie, I have a bad feeling. Okay, right now, I'm gonna be honest why I'm laughing. Okay. 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 You know, some people are making jokes right now about how the NAM 3KM usually is the one to show the sub 900s, and people are right now saying How did this hurricane finds the Namtherkam's um, vent? If you know what that joke means, okay, you guys know that. Not gonna say anything more than that. I do not want to be demonetized, but yeah. Hello, everybody. Hello. Now I am curious again. Around the West Coast gonna shift south. Well, what do you expect the shear to ramp up? Personally, I thought the shear would impact the storm by now. Okay, I mean, honestly, I could say this might actually go to 165 or 175 again. With a pressure about 900 on this recon. By the way, could. I'm saying it could. Let me get an update here, a detail update. Let's see, structure. Uh-oh. You guys, I don't know what's going on. Let me check it a little bit closer. I do not know if that's... Oh, no, never mind. Oh, wow, that eye is even better. This thing is strengthening with an even a better eye. This thing is about to... Wow, this is just crazy. I am just mind blown, you guys. I'm honestly mind blown. I was not expecting this tonight. Like I said, we are going to be streaming. Thanks for you guys hitting that like button, and I said let's get to 160. So we made it to 161. Let's get that even higher. You know, let's get that to 165. You know, it'll be nice seeing 165 subscribers. Let's get it to 10 likes. Let's just up this a little bit more. Get the view ratio out. I already know this has been one of the best streams, chat wise, subscriber wise. Likes, I think we had already 17 before, so I think we did good. I think it will hold. It won't drop. Maybe, I'm guessing, maybe an hour. Thank you guys for all your support. Holy cow, look at the movement of this. Moving even further south. Bro, how much more south is this gonna move? Yo, these... Bro. Nah, I need to take a picture of this. Oh my goodness. This actually might be a lot stronger than we thought. Wow. Wow. Very crazy here. The big blob ahead of it has a lot of lightning. Pretty intense. Yeah, I know that too. But your stream is like 15 minutes behind. Hey, try resetting as he is a 15-second delay. It's no way it's a 15-minute behind. It has to be 15-second. I don't think it's that bad. National Hurricane Center. Hurricane Milton has just been an unimaginable storm here. I definitely see it. Damn. Hey, I don't... No, it is not. It is not doing it yet. It is not doing an eye wall replacement cycle because we can actually take a look here at, let's re-update this radar. It has not showed any signs of an eye wall replacement. Here, look at this. I do not see any sight of an eye wall replacement cycle. Just a very strong intact core. That's what I'm seeing. 1254. Wow, okay, I am sorry about that. Look at the lightning. I'm looking at the behind scenes. Once again, we are noticing crazy amount of lightning. Um, Once again, we are trying to wait for recon. Can we have an update on recon? Because I know there's other websites people use. I just really need an update, and I need to know how much longer I can wait. Keeps jogging south. Fort Myers might be cooked again. We've been noticing that too. Very concerning. Hey, do we have an update on recon? Can you please let me know how far are they out? Like, give me like an estimate of time because I am getting a little tired. I do have school in the morning, so I just don't want to completely take my sleep away from that. Kind of need it. But I will definitely at least wait for one recon pass. I just need to know how long they are out. Is anything more than like 40 minutes? Yeah, I'm probably not going to stay on because, I mean, it depends. I don't think I'll be able to though because I am really, really exhausted right now, and I'm noticing it just a little bit. So, yeah. Wow, 992, 998. Oh my. Wow, this could. Wow. Cat 4, Cat 5 landfall. According to the hem in here. Potentially now. Oh, Lord. Whoa. The halves. Says. Whoa, this is interesting. 929 now landfall. This could actually make a landfall under 940 millibars. This would be even a worse case scenario. That means more storm surge, more stuff like that. This has a landfall much stronger though. We've been just noticing that stronger fields here as we keep getting closer to Milton. Do we have an update on recon? Okay, weather cam, yeah. I just asked that. Let's get an update on this. We just looked at some models. I kind of looked at everything, okay? So now just waiting on recon, seeing how strong this is, and then going from there. Recon be taking its sweet time. It is forecasted to drop more. Definitely going to stay at Cat 5. I agree, David. Yeah. Yep. Most likely. We have a lot of people watching, actually. We have been doing really good tonight on the watch. Definitely helping out. Sorry about the lag, by the way. Once again, if you guys are new here, please subscribe, like, and share. We are once again trying to get ourselves to at least 165 subscribers, and let's get this to like let's get to 7 likes. Okay, let's get 7 or higher. All right, let's do that. Let's make that our next goal, please. Very warm. Why? Extremely beautiful storm. I mean, this is just. I mean, you know what's worrying that we are noticing? You guys, I don't know if you guys see that or not, but we are getting closer to Florida as we are speaking. Yeah, you guys see that right there? That right here is the Florida's coast. And then there's the Key West. And there is, like, 220 mile an hour wind gust probably right now. Plus, in this storm, just barreling down. Not good. By any means right now. Really, really impressive. I honestly, probably, this is by far one of the best hurricanes I've ever seen in my life. No doubt about it. Best hurricane I have ever seen. I know, even the national game. How many minutes do you think? Let's see. No. Let's not do that. Nope. Let's get back. I do not want to do that. Am I lagging, you guys? Oh, look at this. Going east of the cone. Not good. Most likely 165, 170. I don't think there's going to be a 155 at this point. I mean, it could be. It could easily. Oh. Very, very clear eye once again. It's just been a very just clear eye. I mean, I don't see anything stopping us right now. This has just been at its best, probably. One of its best peaks. I would say better than last peak. Oh. Oh, wow. Very impressive. I'm looking at some of the. Okay, we are gonna quickly update that. Wow, the pinks are wrapping around the eyeball even more. I feel like each. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is nothing but a mega king. Alright. Okay, Recon is really bothering me now. My goodness, Recon's actually bothering me. Recon needs to get into this right now. Oh, thank you. We are now at 7 likes. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's now get it to 8. Let's see if we can hit 8 tonight. Let's hit 8 tonight, alright? Yeah, I'm like losing my head right now. I can't even. Recon is like taking way too long. I can't. You know, I just can't when I'm tired. Look at the, oh my goodness, the eye. This thing is not stopping. Let's just say that this Milton has been a this has been a hurricane where afterwards I'm deaf. Oh wow. Very impressive eye here. Very impressive. Yo, yo. Oh, thank you, everyone. I really appreciate your support. Do we have info on how fast it's moving? Yeah, we do have info on how fast it's moving. Let's go into the National Hurricane Center. They do talk about that actually. Um, it is currently actually moving northeast. Currently at from the 10 p.m. update around 12 miles an hour northeast. Um, so it's moving about, I would say, anywhere 10 to 12 miles an hour. So there you go. The direction, you know, they say northeast, but honestly, this just, I mean, it's moving more like east northeast, and it's been doing wobbles to the east more. So that's another thing here that we have to take an account of. Wow. Yo. Okay. Do we have recon, please? Yes. Recon updated. Okay, we are getting actually extremely close now. We are getting extremely close, you guys. We should be having information by 1:30 on the beginning of the eyewall. So we are definitely going to stay there for that. Let's get the latest eyewall beat. We should be done, hopefully, by 2. They shouldn't miss the eye. Let me quickly check that. It's... I think that's all just black in there. I just want to make sure there's no any like cloud cover I don't think there's. It's hard to see because it's not like zoomed in. But let's just... No, it is. No, it's doing a very good job, actually. Yeah, it's almost out of the track, honestly. That's not good. Wow. Very, very impressive hurricane, by all means. Come on, Recon. Up it again. I don't know if you did or not. I don't think you did. Maybe. Maybe I'm just going crazy. I don't know. Okay, let's see how this is doing, you guys. Let's update this. Wow, we are just been doing really, really good tonight. Consistently good. I'm very happy you guys are taking your time out. If you guys are new, please subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy this with your family. We are 4 away from 165 subscribers. Let's, get that to 165. This storm is literally insane. The eye looks so perfect, and it's terrifying. Yeah, I've been, it is so true on that. If you're new, by the way, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a whole live tomorrow, most likely. If not, I'm going to be with Pat's Path Predictor, so please check out his channel. He's a great, awesome YouTuber. I agree, David. Storm is strengthening according to all life. Oh, wow, that's actually... Yeah. We are absolutely crushing today. Yeah, look at this beauty. Just a beauty of a storm, you guys. This is... Just giving us a second. Do we have any more updates here? Really good storm here. Yup, they are almost there. That is great. That is great. Sorry about the quiet, you guys. I am honestly really... I'm just out of... Oh my god, they are almost there. You are right. Oh my god, here we go, you guys. Here we go. Everybody that is new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. We are about 10-20 minutes away from the first plane forecast to be in this. We will find if this has strengthened or stayed the same. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments below. I think 15 minutes, 20 minutes at top. 90 miles to east. Whoa, what happened here? Let's get out of here. Whoa. Okay, I have a question for all of you. What the, bro? I have a question for you guys. What's you guys think the strength is? My bad. Okay, good. Thank you. Guessing for pressure and wind. Oh, my bad. I swear, sometimes guessing. Why is it? David Lee. I'm guessing 165. Okay. Okay, let's get this to 8 likes here. Let's get this to at least 100. Let's end this off with 162 subscribers and 8 likes. That will mean the absolute world to me. Oh, we already hit 8 likes. Thank you. I actually appreciate that. Let's say 162 subscribers tonight. But I really appreciate you guys, all your support. We are only 2 away from 10. Let's hit 10. That's our next goal. Is 10 likes here. Oh my Mantis. We are moments away from this unreal storm. I personally can't right now. I hear that the eye is shrinking. So, my question is now, let's check radar. We do not need an auto replacement cycle. That has not updated. Are you curious? No, it has not. Overnight, okay, wow. Okay, so I do have a special announcement from Mike's weather page. He did say overnight 0Z hurricane models are in stronger nearing landfall. They have about the 930s to low 940s. Not a good trend, I believe, in these models more than most. Bordered up today because of them. See ya in the AM. So, not good. We are seeing... Oh. Oh my god, the eye is getting even better. Yo, we are about to see potentially history right now. Oh. I'm not liking that. I mean, lightning has been showing all day, but still. Eye is trying to get a little bigger here. Yeah, you can see that on that frame right there. Oh, drive north. Okay, you're past. Yeah, 7 likes you and 9. Great job. Thank you, everyone. Okay, 165. Guessing. Thank you, Beans, for the info. Of course. You're past. You're 7 likes. You got 9. Good job. Thank you. We are at now 9 likes. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's too incredible saying how this hurricane looks and acting. Didn't know. Yeah, I mean, this. You are completely right about that. I was not expecting that too. Very concerning as well. Yeah, it's literally a circle. It's perfect, and that what makes it terrifying. Yeah, I mean, at this point, you guys, we are. I was not expecting it this tonight. Honestly, you know, they have the peak maybe in the morning on this whole peak, so maybe we have another few hours to keep this going. We are at 9 likes. Let's get to 10 likes, you guys. Let's get this to 10 likes, and then that should call it with me asking you guys for more likes. I think 10 will be a great way to end this. If you guys want to subscribe, please feel free. Also, pulsing. This has been a crazy stream. Very good stream tonight. Yeah, I think it's because of intensity. Let's get recon. Yo, recon, stop taking forever. Recon's, yo, they better not, like, just throw me right in the eye wall. Like, I'm gonna, like, I have a gut feeling they're not even gonna, like, give us a second. They're just gonna throw us right into the eye wall. That would not be good. My heart would be dead. You know? This has been a crazy night here. Oh my goodness, look at that on radar. The eye is completely out. Wow. This might be the best looking on radar. Oh. Okay. You guys, we have some issues here. We have now a 50-50 here of a potential tropical cyclone. Look, showers and thunderstorms shows you a gale force non-tropical low pressure located northwest has become better organized. Other conditions only marginal additional development. A short-lived tropical storm or subtropical could form. Wow, we can have a tropical storm, another named storm to develop here. Just crazy. This has only a 10. This is Invest 93, right? Oh. Let's see this. It's very voided from convection. You know. Yeah, we're gonna have to give that time. I don't know. Oh, they added a few more. Alright, this is even better. Okay, we are... Thank you for not just throwing me right into the eye wall. We're just getting better and better. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yo, imagine as a one... Yo, if this gets turned into a 180-mile-an-hour storm in an emergency update... I'm sorry, but this will make landfall as probably a 145. Oh, well, my bad. 155, 160. That's what I mean. Oh my goodness. You guys, the eye is warming up even further. Holy cow. This is just... my goodness. My ankle's getting tired. Oh my. Look at that. I'm not liking how this is getting better and better looking as it's inching closer and closer to Florida. Oh my goodness. Good news, we should have an update by 2 o'clock, so this stream should be done by 2. So that would be good, and then I can get some good sleep, and then who knows what we're going to wake up to, honestly. I honestly don't know. All I can think. Okay, yeah, I think it's because of the intensity. Now it's scary. Our going to change to be leaning on the latest frames and impact on the East Coast. Probably due to northerly shear. Probably, but the water is about to making the first. Not for real though, they should. Recon, because we have gotten a lot of comments tonight, yes. Winfield. The Winfield is definitely grew. That is the one thing we've noticed. That's not good, you guys. Do you think, I don't know, right now it's moving pretty interesting wise. No, the eye is even better. We are waiting on recon. Oh, this. Ouch. Oh, I'm worried. Once you start seeing those yellows pop up, then you know. Oh yeah, tropical storm force has extended. Yeah, very impressive still. Not even that bad at all. Let's see what's going on. This insane storm is, what shall I say? I agree, David. Yep. Yep, it is currently 1:30, so we should be getting some crazy update around 1:40. So we should be good by 2 in the morning. So let's do this. 8 are watching, damn. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, like. We are once again trying to get to 165 subscribers. We are trying to get to 10 likes, so just hit one more of that button and we are chilling. Okay, thank you guys for all your support. I do really appreciate that. I understand it is extremely late, but I know that many people are questioning what's going on here. this storm, and all I'm gonna say is, yeah, this 160 is probably more like 175 as of right now, and I wouldn't even be surprised. It's probably a little bit more. This is just insanely looking good here. The eye is actually clearing out even further in the latest frames, you guys. Even further. They are very, very close, you guys. Uh-oh, am I lagging? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see what this shows. Cannot believe the Atlantic is just continuing to go off. I literally can't anymore. I swear, we have to track another storm by next week. That is not out. Oh my goodness. You know, I give up. Bro. These traffics would be literally attempting every possibility. Wow, look at the lightning. Just continuing. Just crazy. Oh, there it is, you guys. And not even the eyewall. I am so worried. We are about to see. They're not even, by the way, this is not even close. This is just a far view. They're gonna have to get a little closer. Oh, this is about to be crazy. They're only at 990. Ooh, this is about to go crazy. Everybody, we are probably so close. Okay, I'm losing it. I'm starting. Hopefully, I am wrong. I'm in the Discord. Oh. Oh, hey. I did not even know that. Thank you. We are at 11 watchers right now. Hello, everybody. We are here watching the latest recon. I'm going to be giving you guys all the latest update. And before I do go, we will give you guys a general update. If you guys are new, please subscribe, like, and share. Let's try and get to 10 likes. And let's try and get to, 165 subscribers by the end of the stream. If not, it is completely fine. It's just a good goal here that I have. So. Oh, yeah. Andrew definitely vibes here. Oh my lord, this just keeps on getting worse. Thank you. Okay. Right, can't wait to see the data of this lyric. We will see.